And my journey, Sana Montuana, a president, etuno. Why, dear papa, hey, respect ya me woman one.
Mame Mao Akwaba and found Bragan and Sam TVGH so what frame Adjoa searching. Ebusan for your name and Sema air trendy ewa Ghana Hano. And I know and Ayawa so East MPL or Fufia Twata or the Ephraim. Now Ofrimino as a son Munya Ubia or representing a Ayawa so East or Parliament House intino and I know NDC for a more primary sir. Omo nipa baako na NPP fo so aye primaries nipa baako ma behiem ato aba na NDC fo omo primaries no nsem e course no ye tan e ya bufo se Ghana politics na se na yete ya nti no o kan no bebre kra na wo kwa akoye nipa bone na se wa akoka na wanwa akwa akọchira obi abato na wato no emu TV eche 32 inches motorbikes kosua ya mea angwa emu nipa ni nko parliament house po eniam omo chenye nyama ketwa na ni na no baba Jamal no che ne kese pa na ensem ni beto odwa no ene Ghana fo edi ho abobo a NDC eye majority caucus no omo de omo electoral babonti omo abe condemn the baba Jamal eye no and afenso a letter from the office of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and so babonti abekle na ensem we no journalist fu me ni bi atro madwen na baako kire se obo John Dramani Mahama na baako baako so kire se sa letter na e free His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na so e bai baba Jamal kran ende e appointment omo de ma no so ye ambassador e wo Nigeria na omo age afini se benyanse bi eni e jibisem e na president His Excellency John Dramani Mahama omo aye no na ebusuafo journalist fu mi anyway baako eye kwablamafo na baako nso ewo Sumpa FM
2016 that time no now His Excellency John Dramani Mahama moye campaign one of the things that they were talking against MPP government and say no more check outdoor motors outboard motors or whatever no more check and to them oh yes sir you are using to induce someone to vote for you and now the akwa beni matina wonu mwa yenhwe han amana ba be jirem aba be to afa na matwa krata aba say now when I catch us you see yeah sometimes we have to be truthful as a nation as a people we have to be truthful we have to be sincere to ourselves we have to be sincere to ourselves say ene dia mo ba be ka kire yen ne say papa ne fa da djuma nto monim say papa no wa we no o de djuma beto is it not obvious aka say any akomen election time aka no de ba be any campaign it is akrata Felix of Usquachi through the president mo tro buy it doesn't make sense nyansa bi anim se mpreduasa because it is obvious say papa no wa we ne nko ade obejai so we na mo ka say on fa da djuma ne to dia ka be news but way it is obvious say enya dey a baba Jamal no wa we no onko Nigeria ho biem it is there my and now there's another letter from Fifi Kwete who is the general secretary someone I respect and cherish ba ko Fifi Kwete ba Fifi ba me ka sem bi nchiro I like the revolutionary spirit saying no nonsense secretary the powerhouse how they bemuno Fifi I love that but equity is important standard is important you and you now listen to what came from the party through Honorable Fifi Kwete a very respected man who is the general secretary. NDC condemned the level of bribery in the Ayawaso East primaries and launches investigation. Bribery investigation and allegation po. in the letter no oman tro added one tro say it's an allegation bribery bam. And if it is bribery, nobody say bribery. Kwame, there's no even need for investigation. They should annul their elections. Munchom. So I say a bribery, na say one for alleged ama. NDC condemned the level. HS enya krono no kra na hobo. Enya ketasi shadow, but the level they say ogwebo di yani de kosoro do. That means krono ne bribery ni de by election BM, but we mu de yani de according to Fifi Fiavi Kwete e was do. And to be a as a Baba Jamal de any dear, yes, a bon adintra according to NDC. Krata Mudiaba, HSA, the level. NDC condemns the level, not the bribery, but the level. That's only then the Munyam I also is the end of course according to this letter. And he didn't add say one professor in class say alleged bam bribery. So if it is bribery, then this election shouldn't stand. There should not even be an investigation. You should use your authority to cancel, to annul this election, if that is so.
Now some pa FM dey no che say nyansa sembi ani dey president let na if president answer the president aye e dey alpha Baba Jamal no nyansa bia eli. Now you see kwabnamafo aye journalism work ache journalist yo che say nyansa bia ni dey John Dramani Mahama ye no me yes sure so ba journalist mu ache na wagidi mposa but nyansa sema o kind kwabnamafo se dey obo his excellency John Dramani Mahama na about na respect or what him and the cry through because Baba Jamal waje na appointment na finish and so over out ebe condemn act na e course na koblama for act na e course na John Dramani Mahama na NDC for ebe condemn no say ya dey be course na mo chere say the NDC for ya na course to journalist we e chere say nyanse bi eni because Baba Jamal we win abano as yame ya do na so boto general election na say o win MP na enya dia sa position no obesan so e hold the bio ana say mpo no be fi Nigeria baga na ba be campaign nti say John Dramani Mahama agena appointment e fi ni se ma eno no dade akobna manfo you should know this say nti John Dramani Mahama na NDC fu no ba abonti be ka say Baba Jamal de no ye na enye no omo kana kosi say ehe na ekwakosi enkosi baby you see these are some of the things His Excellency John Dramani Mahama where we the Ghana for adwene who say this is what Ghanaians want and or the fast trend in so yes no wa ba bonti abeka say Baba Jamal enema na o che no say as a Ghana focus where we are Ghana skenti no as a president no drink Ghana who do Ghana mind no it's all about the beka say Baba Jamal de o ye na enye no ngina appointment ni finish na Ghana for who say yes John Dramani Mahama no kwafo o do Ghana John Dramani Mahama ye de hu ni o we na hu hia de hu hia se kokwa akuafo se ti omoka kokwa akuafo se omo ado egu aduru adodo ho kokwa na aso abre omo akote abo ahata abeton ti omoka no wakoton kokwa no enye sika egubotom wo de stabilize the dollar no na si di na nya ho de amfa so bi de so say useless adena wo ye no omo so ti omoka teachers and nurses no mo aye adwuma how many years na obeti omo so ti omoka o enye de ehie ni Baba Jamal akọche ni TV a politicians mo ye NPP fu na NDC fu mu ina mo ye mo common promise ade mo che ne ne waketwa we kura de Baba Jamal kura de ono so wa ba bonsi so wa be che TV na Ghana fu ye ka mutumi che kai na e wo sumase nti we na hu hia we no atra yen in say Ghana politicians mo kind of kura mo ya kronfo mo ya mambofo and you know nti his John Dramani Mahama they are the journalists need because we useless and as nyanse bi eni and indeed they useless nyanse bi eni when ye hia kwan ya kwan bebre nye hospital beds nye enough drip machine na what the bread no what's a drip machine no wo de we see if ndu yo mo adwuma giste gombuto and ye pese ye ka ho asem judicial system no Ghana for say nkoyi o mo se de hu so and ye pese mo repair enyama bi ababoa ti memefo Baba Jamal akọche TV ndu yinya de ntinya ntizie ye odai unti me fa saa de ne mehurahura yen se en nti no wo ye president papa you say NDC fo no baba Jamal omo eyi na di no omo de caption abeto esa mo hwa de John Dramani Mahama yan hwa dan and why then like Mahama why then also baba Jamal en fa na appointment in 2020 why then nya na hia we nya membu amembu no se obedwe ntimamifo no ho adwe ho so obi ya adwuma e fa ka kwa adwuma de bia one ne yeda ne bombe di nti obetu omo kan na hia de hia ne say drone machines na aban bi film no omo de buy no e koso e boa free SHS na aban bi free so no e moforo mu didi yie school fees na ade no mutua mo to moforo ne school atale provide them books say de abanda da ne ye no nyema we nye pese emu ne say wa di baba Jaba de appointment every nzi e o de nyanse bi enim ti say the journalist ne kan no yense mu kwasese na mo adi no baba Jama mo asake DM dey enyama nkoso mo aba mo ko 2 years enyama bibia nkoye wo Ghana ha prices of goods rise and rise it is a ukra dollar $1,000 wo koso so ate and so prices of goods na ekosoro and affect me and affect Ghana fu bebre and na ehuhia electricity yentimi nto and ultimate light 100 cities 3 days and ho ase na Ayeka water bill yentimi ntua and ho ase na Ayeka and ni amembu no wa attack baba Jama ni nyansa be ni yemfa yeren mu free yanso
say obeba be pa ba ya matena wa ba kware wie ya to aba na wie afa na mba be ka say allegations e cause on vote buying now senior you guys are prejudicing this because it's an allegation eba enunti na makwa akofa committee say committee ni hwehwem and any partner can best my friend my dear Ilusa Fusaini Anamatis or Krana they say meda committee ni so and he's a brilliant lawyer matured and quite the mama thumbs up he's the right person to sit on this because we any power cannot crepa Honorable Ilusa Fusaini and he's a lawyer because idea ya akosu yebe it's against the law. It's against the law, eh? And never what your father say ya go. The time because of Baba Jamano, oh yeah, we no, eh? Because and some neighbor, a todo beer, Metianam, I am a buffalo. Me baba he constitution natural 33 ho baby. It's a yamra in the 1992 constitution, the people's law. It talks about this directly or indirectly. If you try to influence someone to vote for you, it's against the law. Simplicity. Even the law church ma bedru baby emieti asese. O to aduane kra ma obi no mo obi aduane no kra no se o meto aba no kra eno kra no is against the law. Breakfast e call so anopa kra e te kwan menya so say this breakfast ni bi. Na behwe kosua pa muso dia mutimi gudi pen masi kosua ya no ane moko ama mpanyimfo ne mama mpanyimfo mo kosua ya no ane moko ho we are shameless and why do you want to victimize only one person other than one person Baba Jamal ne kwa na mo victimizing no that's why I don't get it. 2016 that time no now His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Moye campaign one of the things that they were talking against MPP government and say no more check outdoor motors outboard motors or whatever no more check and to them
good afternoon Ghana for and run madam for this in the frame so I say Makoyi Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia na eda asem oba be den eda asem na oba ka kire Ghana for am say na nkrofu yankasa no mujini kwa kire de let me just give you a perfect picture of something in